Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the file you want to export. Do not convert yet, go straight to print. Once the print dialog appears, you choose the printer drop-down and pick Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Make sure page range, copies, and layout are set. Change portrait versus landscape now. You also confirm paper size and scaling so the output fits. Once done, click Print. This routes the document to a PDF creator instead of a physical printer. Once you pick Save as PDF, you still control quality. Adjust page range, orientation, and scaling to avoid clipped edges. If you need background graphics or complex elements, enable those options. For multi-page files, check page breaks in the preview. Make a habit of opening advanced or printer properties to set resolution if available, and choose a clear file name. Click Print, then select the folder where the PDF will live. This step finalizes conversion and writes the PDF to disk. You finish by opening the new PDF. Inspect every page for layout, missing fonts, or image problems. If text moves or fonts change, go back and embed fonts in the source app or choose a different PDF printer. If images are low quality or missing, increase output resolution or export as PDF/X where supported. This preserves color and images. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the PDF fails, try printing to PDF from another program or printing to an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.